The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, Samsung's 2025 foldable phones, will be on sale in July. As Samsung prepares to begin mass-producing its smartphones next month, using panels for the foldable OLED screens made by Samsung Display, the excitement is building. Alongside the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, there are also rumors that the Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, a less expensive foldable, will be available. Samsung could decide to prioritize the high-end devices first and release the Fan Edition later, perhaps in October or November. With significant advancements planned, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be a game-changer. It could be influenced by the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a svelte, high-end model that is exclusive to China and South Korea. Anticipate a more elegant design, maybe including bigger displays and a higher-end finish. According to early speculations, the S Pen will be returning with a new look. Although there is still some talk of an Exynos 2500 model, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU is anticipated to power the gadget in terms of performance. Samsung is the only company keeping us on our toes if there are various CPUs for different locations, and Qualcomm is probably going to lead the effort. According to rumors, the Z Fold 7 has a 200-megapixel primary sensor, making it one of the greatest folding cameras available. The phone is anticipated to launch on July 10 and be priced between $1,799 and $1,899. This is comparable to the versions from the previous year. It is anticipated that the design and displays would be Dynamic AMOLED 2X with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a maximum brightness of 2600 nits. With its more streamlined design and improved screens, the Z Fold 7 is starting to emerge as one of the greatest foldables available. Considering how slowly Android 15 was released to Samsung consumers, it may even come pre-installed with Android 16 and One UI 8. If the reports are accurate, Samsung may have a chance to make amends by releasing Android 16 before Google's Pixel products. With the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 as the main attractions, Samsung's 2025 foldable phones are looking to be a huge advancement. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.